This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. Enticing Dunwoody open floor plan in Webb has a full unfinished basement and offers storage and / or opportunity to finish for your lifestyle. Boasting 3-bedroom / 3-bath, primary bedroom has tray ceilings, spacious walk-in closet, double vanity with separate vanity table and roomy shower. One of the bedrooms is an ensuite, perfect for guests. Updated with engineered wood flooring in living areas including primary bedroom and in flex space that could serve as formal dining, office or den. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, breakfast bar, spacious dining area, pantry and coffee bar. The sunroom overlooks nature trail with access to the sun deck. The front of home faces small sitting park. There is a 2-car garage with separate golf cart garage. Nice patio at terrace level. This is resort living at its best with boat ramp, docks, pavilion, canoe storage, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, tennis, pickleball courts, fitness center, clubhouse and so much more. For more information